Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and I welcome you to my channel Aditya Sarkar Teaching Channel. So today's topic is on Facebook ad setup, Facebook how to uh, run, how to publish Facebook ad step by step. So in my last video, it was about Facebook ad. In short, I have given a short description on Facebook ad and so that you will get to know what is Facebook ads. So the main is how to publish a Facebook ad. So there are 7 to 8 steps you should follow. So the first step is uh, yeah, before starting the first step, you must have a Facebook account, means personal account. Well, from personal account, you have to make a Facebook page for your brand. For example, you have a clothing brand or a fitness brand, or maybe a tech brand or any brand, so or food brand. So for example, if I go with a clothing brand, so you have to set up a page for your account from your account. So after creating the page and setting the page, you have to mm, your set up the Facebook uh, ad manager account. Once the Facebook page is linked with the Facebook ad account, then the Facebook ad account will be on the name of the clothing brand only. So whenever you create a Facebook uh, ad, you have to log into the Facebook manager account, and so your campaigns will be shown, your ads and ad sets will be shown. So so the first step is you set up a Facebook page, then link it with the Facebook ad account. Then the second step is to create the Facebook ad account. When the second step is to create the Facebook ad account, then link with the Facebook page. Okay. Then third step is to after setting up the page and the Facebook ad account and the link all, you have to come to the third step is how to create a campaign. Means you have to create a campaign for your page, for your brand. For example, it's a clothing brand. You have to first make people aware of the brand. Then you have to generate leads for your brand, generate traffic for your brand. Then you have to then engage means uh, all of before going to the main. Your objective is sell your different type of products. Before you have to sell a different product, you have to create aware, aware, then generate leads, engage, so that people get to know about your brand. So that's also so the first step is to create a campaign. Campaign, for example, you have aware. Awareness is the campaign. So in the step four, you have to choose your campaign objective. The campaign objectives are of different types. It may be uh, awareness, it may be engagement, it may be app install, it may be page reach, it may be page traffic, it may be website traffic, it may be video views, it may be lead generation. Main objective is the sales conversion. So from this, for your clothing brand, the first um, campaign you should be starting with awareness campaign. So for your clothing brand, then after step four, there comes step five. Step five is to set up a daily budget and schedule. So for awareness ad, basically you have to run it for maximum 7 days, so that it from 7 days it will uh, get a good awareness. You will get to see a data of a good audience is um, get aware of your brand and a page. And if you have a website, you can generate awareness for your website also. So the daily budget minimum daily budget should start with 200 rupees, or then 500, then 700. But um, 200 to 500 is the best range to start with. And then if you have to continue, you can change or update the budget anytime and then publish it. And so the step 5 is completed. And step 6 is select your audience. So yes, that is the main step. It's about the audience. Audience is the main target means target audience. So it's a clothing brand. You have to select target means related to um, clothing. Means people objective is to buy clothes. Means if you are going for women clothes, so women clothing, all of all clothing is men, women, both kids. You have to select from the demographics, from the interest and the behavior. Select specific um, one. Don't choose all. Then it may because you will get random or unwanted audience. So create your audience very carefully because if you create an audience carefully now, then it will help you in the main objective of sales and it will not also waste your money also. Then step 6 is completed. Step 7 is uh, after uh, creating a campaign and then an audience, last in this review, ad, set up your ad. Then you have to paste an image or a video showing your brand. Then you have to give the headline, description, and create a headline, description, and to your page, to your ad. So after giving this setup in the ad page, one ad, then you can check from step one all clear. If there is an edit that, and then publish it. So then last step, monitor the performances daily. Note it down on Google Sheet, Excel sheet for your betterness. Whenever you want to check or clarify, you can find it on Excel sheet. So it's I myself create ads. I've created ads for different brands and uh, because I work in a company and under the company I worked as a performance marketing um, mm, executive where my work was on the disband to create campaigns for different brands and then help them to get leads or help them to complete their objectives, to reach their objectives. So in this video, um, this was about Facebook ad, how to create a Facebook account, a page, and how to set up Facebook ad account, link that account, then name the campaign, choose the objective, then choose the budget, choose your audience, then choose, we have to then add, means we have to, um, the main is the ad. If an ad is not creative, then it will not work. We have seen a lot of ads on Facebook. Regularly, when we search, we have come across a lot of Facebook ads because nowadays people want to uh, grow online, but I have seen that audience, everyone has a mobile, everyone is online, everyone has a Facebook, so no one goes to uh, uh, nearby store to for shopping. Everyone buys on Amazon, and but before Amazon, um, Facebook uh, is a main because on Facebook many brands wants to sell because from Amazon it's a different platform because they want to direct sell, but so before selling they want to show their ads because if you see a catchy ad, see a catchy creative, people will automatically click that ad, and then and that's the uh, win of the ad. If you people or the audience have clicked your ad, if they like your ad, means your ad is super creative. Super means you have this creative team, or if you have own created that ad, means you have win that like of the audience. So it's a good. So everything should be balanced. Means it's not only content, content, then budget, then your creative. Everything should be balanced so that people can easily uh, can see your ad, can connect with your ad. If you can connect with the audience carefully, then that's all. So it's my main objective in this video is to share about the Facebook ad. So please listen to this video carefully from and sorry for any uh, mistake if I have done. So I'm new to this. I have experience, but in teaching, I'm new to this. I want my audience to be they like my video, like my the content, like my teaching, and I will improve with every video I share. So kindly please share your likes, share your comments, and please help me to grow so that I can reach more and more um, people who want to learn, who want to grow, who want to educate themselves. So that's all. Please follow the step. It's easy. It's not very difficult. It's a simple thing. You just have to follow the steps, and that's all. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye.